Is it usually better to repair damaged asphalt roof shingles or to replace the entire roof depends on the extent and pattern of damage. For small, isolated problems like 1 or 2 lifted or missing shingles caused by storm debris or minor wear, we recommend targeted repair because it preserves the existing roof life and costs far less than a full replacement. Start by safely removing loose granules and inspecting the underlayment for moisture staining by lifting the surrounding shingles and checking the felt or synthetic layer underneath. If the underlayment is intact and the roof decking shows no softness, you can slide new shingles into place using roofing cement at the tabs and properly seal the surrounding flashing. Use starter course and ridge materials consistent with the existing roof to maintain wind resistance. When damage is widespread, such as multiple cracked shingles, extensive granule loss, curling across multiple slopes, or exposed nail heads through several courses, you should plan for a full replacement because repairs will be temporary and will not restore the designed wind and waterproof performance. For suspected structural problems like sagging, repeated leaks, or rot in the sheathing, consult a qualified professional. They should lift sections, measure deflection, probe decking with a moisture meter, and replace compromised decking before any new underlayment or shingles go down. Keep documentation of all repairs and material ages to inform future decisions and budget planning while prioritizing safety and working from the ground or using fall protection when accessing the roof. Common mistakes are patching many scattered failures and calling that a long-term fix, which leaves the roof vulnerable and wastes money long-term. If multiple slopes or large areas show similar age-related deterioration, choose replacement to regain full service life. Another frequent issue is ignoring damaged flashing and valleys because even perfect shingles cannot stop leaks where flashing is compromised. Replace or reseal flashing whenever adjacent shingles are replaced. People also underestimate hidden damage under shingles, especially after storms, so always probe the deck and underlayment when you see surface damage and stop work to consult a roofer if you find softness or staining. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to make project planning easier for repair versus replacement decisions. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences and ask questions so both homeowners and contractors can find work and practical advice.